Okay, an oil filter. It is in very near of this oil drain bolt. There's oil sump. This is oil filter, and we need now some tool or big pliers, but I might have this specific opening tool what fits in here. And this is oil filter, and now we need like some oil filter, this opening tool what fits in there, the sides, like in this my tool, and now I need to press that up, and in my case there is socket position, 27mm socket, and this filter opens in this direction, but I rotate that in this way. This is the opening direction. And note that this is oily, and that's I need again this my oil sump in here. And now I rotate that away, but soon oil comes out. Okay, and there is this my oil sump, this oil canister, and now I rotate that, and I keep that in up, force is up, and I rotate this direction. Now we can see that oil is coming, look. It's good that I have this canister and also protective gloves, because engine oil is harmful. Now I rotate in this way, and soon be ready that this oil filter, it can drop to our head, and that's keep distance in here, and this is and then we can take actually this some cotton cloth in here. Okay, and now I have in here cotton cloth, and when I install this stuff in here in that way, now I can easier rotate, and there is no, it is no so oily mess. Okay, and now filter is in my hand, look, and then oil comes again out, and that it is good to be this oil waste canister, and there is really this my filter, and now I take it away and I install that in ground. Okay, and then we can look ground position. Oil is really dropping down, and that's it good that we have this plastic canister where this filter is, oil filter, and look that it is full of oil, and we need similar new filter, and I have that kind of filter, and we can right away install this filter, new filter in back. Okay, and there is really this position, and now I use this MAN filter, what is good also, and there is this type W68 and divided 3. And of course Toyota's filter is best one, but this MAN is okay. And then I open this package, and this is almost ready for use. Only what I need is that I have to lubricate this black gasket, and I can take little bit Mobile One oil in my finger. There is oil in my finger, and now I install carefully this oil in this black ring. This is enough. And now this filter is ready for installation, and it goes directly in here, and then I only rotate that using my fingers in that way, and we can actually add this filter also full of engine oil. It is the better, and next I will do that job. Okay, and really we have to fill this filter so that it is full of engine oil, that one, and now as we can see that there is oil coming out, and this is important because otherwise when we start our engine there can be short engine failure risk, and that's always add your oil filter full of the same oil what you are adding. And now when I use this cotton rag, and now there is thing that firstly I tied this filter using my fingers. This is the thing, that how tight I add. Now I use my fingers, and now it's tight, and then I should rotate that about more half rotation. Okay, and really this final tight for oil filter, firstly we use that by my fingers, and after that I have to rotate that almost one turn. And now I have excellent pencil, but you should also purchase solid marker from Amazon, and now I do in here marking, because this rotation is in that way. I do in here small arrow in this area and also in here, and now I have to rotate this arrow almost in here, that area, in this direction, like in almost one turn, but not so much, like 75%. Okay, and then I take my tool that I can rotate. Okay, and there is this my tool. I install my tool in here. And then I rotate that in like one. I start in here, and then like in that area in this way. Okay, now I had wrong rotation in this way. This is the tight. A little bit more. Good. And then we check that how much there is this amount left. This is the starting point, and now I rotated this stuff in almost in here. Yes, this is good amount, like 70%. Okay, and now oil filter is in position and it is tight, and next step is to add this engine oil.